Hi, my name is Casper Andersen. This is a short talk on Optimade and how AiiDA integrates Optimade. So first of all, Optimade is a combined effort to create a common API for materials databases. And a lot of big players in materials databases have come together to try and describe what a structure is and how we communicate it. Among those are Crystallography Open Database, Materials Cloud, Materials Project, Nomad, A-Flow, and so on, some of whom you may know. It's based on JSON API version 1, and it currently describes structures and references. In the future, it will also try to describe calculations. Now, AiiDA already has a REST API, where you can inspect all the nodes and calculations and structures. However, the AiiDA Optimade repository provides you another REST API, another way to communicate what's in your database, specifically structured data nodes at the moment. In the future, we'll also try to include CIF data nodes and maybe even custom data nodes. And as soon as calculations are included into the Optimade specification, we can start communicating all the calculations as well, make references between, and then you can retrieve your AiiDA provenance graph from the Optimade REST API, as well as the native AiiDA REST API. And of course, through all the other, through the Python API and whatnot. To come is a native part of AiiDA as a database importer. Yeah, so already in AiiDA, you have the COD database importer, and we want to integrate also Optimade as a native database importer, so you can include this in your workflows. We've also developed a client, a GUI client, so graphical user interface client. This is in the framework of Jupyter, and a version of this is actually available on Materials Cloud. Another version is available on AiiDA Lab as an application. And you can even download it and install it on your local machine and run it there. The instructions to which are on this slide. Specifically for the AiiDA Lab application, it means that you can have this database importer that you can quickly retrieve any structure from any public Optimade database and use it in any other AiiDA Lab application or AiiDA workflow through AiiDA Lab. Also, it can be integrated into an application that you already have as a structure importer. For example, here on this slide, you see the Quantum Espresso application and the Optimade client within it. I would be remiss if I didn't also mention the Skyscanner-like client that exists on optimade.science. Finally, I would like to show you a clip of the Optimade client on Materials Cloud. So as it starts up, you'll see that it currently supports version 1 release candidate 2. Actually, version 1 was just released, so that will come as well. There are 5 providers at the moment. We'll choose Materials Cloud for this one, which also have 5 databases in it. And here you can see there are different filters you can apply. If we just search without filters, we get almost 2,000 results, meaning that there are almost 2,000 structured data nodes in this database. Now we just want to go for hafnium and oxygen as the elements, and we find just a single structure. All right, you see the structure details and a list of the sites. And you can also look through the unit cell there. Finally, you can convert the Optimade structure into any other formats via ASE. So here it's an Optimade, it's the Quantum Espresso input file. Thank you very much.